Hello, my name is Bev Morgan. I'm a Hanover artist and teacher, and I also have a couple classes coming up at Southampton Art School. This is one class that I'll be teaching on Tuesday, on June the 5th. Registration is through the Art Center, but the workshop is going to be held here in my Hanover Art Studio. And this is a very simple painting. There's not much drawing to it. We'll be using a pen, no pencil, and we're making some trees that's in the front, birch trees. And that's the only drawing we're going to be doing. We're going to look at color theory at the beginning, and we're going to throw in some different techniques while we're doing this painting. Wet on wet, and we're actually going to throw some salt, table salt on here to make some unusual texture features on the painting. We're even going to splatter while the paper is still wet. We're going to have so much fun just exploring watercolors that day. So I hope you decide to join me. We're going to go over a lot of the basic techniques in watercolor.